Hey everyone, welcome back to Boston Autoblog. It's an absolutely gorgeous day out for a January Saturday, and so I'm with the GT car, and we are gonna do some car spotting. We're meeting up with Arsha at Lamborghini of Boston, so it's gonna be a great day. All right, so we're now at Herb Chambers Exotics, and check out this Rolls-Royce Wraith. It's got like a teal interior. I've never seen that before on a car. So inside is a black Enzo, only one of 4 in the world, and actually only one of 2 due to the interior color. All right, so let's go in and check it out. Here it is, guys. All right, so this car is actually on sale for $2.5 million. So if you have it, call them. I don't know if you guys can tell through the window, but that is only one of 2 interior colors of this car. So there's only one of 4 in the world and only one of 2 of this particular spec. We got the entire crew here taking photos of the Enzo. Does any of this look familiar to you guys? Remember that vlog from, I think, November? This is the footage from that day. It came out really, really good. Got the new Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio in the showroom. And we also got the Alfa Romeo 4C. All right, so we are done at Lamborghini of Boston. We're on our way to McLaren Boston. Check out the color on this McLaren 720S. This thing is probably the nicest color I've ever seen on this car. I think this is a recent delivery. I have no idea though. Also, check out the color combination. Blue with orange brake calipers. I think it goes really well. I like it. I really do. This is definitely a recent delivery. By the way, we are at McLaren Boston right now, so let's go inside and check out more 720Ss.
So that went well.
Yeah, that went really well.
Yeah, it went well. We thought it was gonna go. We thought it was gonna go one way.
Yep.
Then it went another way, and that was kind of bad way.
And even though we're
and
talking...
then it went to really good way, and the worst part is that we can't explain any of it.
Right.
It's all worth it. It is all worth it.
So now we're on our way to Quirk Ford to check out a one-of-one Ford GT, the new 2018 Ford GT. So let's see what happens. Let's see how there's like great opportunities for that.
Yeah, we've been, our hobby for the highway has been taking rollers of regular cars. So that's definitely been a highlight of the day. We'll put it that way. We have a nice Jeep Grand Cherokee coming up behind us, so we'll grab a quick photo. Definitely the car that you need to have a photo of course, any day. So we have Quirk Mazda over here. This is not where the Ford GT is.
Nope.
You have to go right here then.
Yep.
It's on our left.
Yeah.
We are almost there. We are almost going to see the number 9 chassis Ford GT.
If it's there.
If it's there.
It
might
will
not
be
be.
there. It will be there. All right, so we're on our way to Ferrari New England right now. We stopped in to check out the GT. Didn't do any talking. There's a lot of people there, so I didn't want to like just be that guy talking loud and showing off the car. So I did a quick little walk around. Hopefully it was good enough for you guys. And so now let's check out the new 812 at Ferrari New England.
Car looks sweet. So yeah, I think first one in mass, right?
For the Ford GT, or are you talking about the
Ford
812?
GT.
Yeah, the first one in mass. There should be 2 more coming this year, so we're gonna see a lot more of those.
It's gonna be a wild 2018. What do you think of back there, Ashia? Yeah.
We're taking a slight detour. We're not gonna go to Ferrari New England yet. We're gonna stop by Porsche of Westwood, see if they have the new GT3, and then we might go check out the new GTR at Mercedes-Benz, see if they have one. They should have
Maybe.
one. It's on inventory, so. Well, it's like deja vu all over again.
Yeah, we're back.
Yep, we're right back where we were. And we got another new GT3 991. 4.0. Personally, I think I like the white one better.
That white one was absurd.
Yeah.
It looked fake.
Yeah. Well, of course with the lighting in here as well, it looked like it was fake.
This one looks good. It just doesn't have that wow factor.
Right.
That's an utter disbelief.
All right, guys, we're now at Ferrari New England. We're gonna go check out the new 812 Superfast. We got
Right.
2 458s here. Never seen these actually. These are new in the area. All right, so this car is actually already sold.
You know, the green does look good in person.
Yeah,
It does.
it does.
512 812.
All right, guys, so we're gonna call it a day. We just grabbed some lunch after going to Ferrari New England. There's some very big stuff coming down the road. I don't want to give anything away, don't want to say when it will be up or anything like that. There's just some really cool stuff coming in the next few weeks, and I'm really excited for it. I know you guys are excited for it, so it's gonna be really awesome, and definitely look forward to that. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys next time.